So hey guys, this is Jan, and in today's video we will be talking about TRP, how it is calculated, and also about some recent scams which are going on. So let's get started. So you might have used YouTube or Instagram. There are parameters such as likes, dislikes and comments to know the popularity of any show or any video present on these social media platforms. Similarly, on television there is a parameter called TRP, which stands for television rating point. The TRP helps us to know which channel is rated high or which channel is popular these days. The advertisement rate of any channel is measured in seconds. So there is a website where you can view all the channel rates. I have linked it below in description. On that website you can view all the channel rates per second for advertising on that channel. So now let's move on to BARC, the organization who is responsible for managing TRP. Its full form is Broadcast Audience Research Council, and this organization is responsible for calculating and also managing the TRP management of any channel which is viewed in India. So now let's talk about how the TRP is calculated. The BARC organization installs barometer in various houses in India, and these houses are selected randomly based on their education, their gender, people living in that house, and also their education and the language that they speak in their houses. The actual TRP is calculated by watermarking the audio channels, and this audio can't be heard by humans, but the barometer who counts the TRP can hear this sound. So if someone is watching TV with muted audio, it's been recorded. Also, the TRP is calculated if you view the channel more than 60 seconds. So if you are just switching the channels and you watch a channel for 2-3 seconds, the TRP is not calculated. In India, around 44,000 houses have been installed with these barometer devices who actually calculate the TRP of the channel, and the final TRP is the average of all the people who are viewing that channel in India. The TRP data is recorded every Thursday, and you can also check any channel's TRP on the BARC official website. I've also put a link to this website in description. The website name is barcindia.co.in. So visit this website, click on weekly data, scroll down, select your genres. For now I will select Hindi news, and there you can see all the top 5 channels who have highest TRP in India right now. The information about which houses are being installed with these barometer devices is not available in the public domain, and this information is completely private and governed by an organization named Hansa Research Group. And to reduce frauds, the BARC organization constantly monitor all these 44,000 houses which are being installed with these barometer devices, and if they found something suspicious, like if some person is watching only one channel day and night, they just suspend their license. So now let's answer the question which is constantly popping out in your mind from the start of the video, which is why the government still uses this old method of calculating TRP. So to answer your question, this is in processing stage, and I hope government implements this new method of counting the TRP directly from the satellite soon. But the problem is that in India still people use cable TV rather than set-top boxes. Therefore, you might have seen government advertising on the television about setting up a set-top box before a deadline given, otherwise your favorite channel will be discarded.
एक इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज, अगर आपको टीवी सीरियल्स देखने का शौक है तो जल्द से जल्द अपने घर में सेट टॉप बॉक्स लगाइए।
क्यों?
क्योंकि 31 दिसंबर से पहले सेट टॉप बॉक्स लगवाना अनिवार्य है। नहीं तो टीवी सीरियल्स बंद।
So now let's talk about the recent TRP scams which happened couple of days ago. Police reported that there was a data leak from employees of Hansa Research Group who manages the barometer installation in every house in India. They also found people who were approached to watch a single channel whole day to increase the TRP. But the catch is that the TRP value is calculated by the average of all the people who are watching television in India. So if you just pay some guys who will watch your channel whole day, this might not have a drastic effect on your TRP, because it is the average of data collected from all over the India and not from just few people. So if you try to manipulate the TRP by just paying some people, it might not have a drastic effect on your TRP. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this recent TRP scams. So guys, this was the video. I hope you have liked it, and there was a lot of time invested in scripting this video, so I hope you have liked it. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Definitely subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And this is Jain signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.